Hello guys, and welcome to the next video. In this video, we're going to talk about what is the spread. What we'll cover in this video is how your Forex broker makes money, what are fixed spreads, what are variable spreads, what is the bid or ask difference, and to begin with, let's see how your Forex broker makes money. The broker will charge you the spread each time you place a trade. This is a term you'll come up with regularly. When you open a trade, you will automatically be down the number of pips that the broker is charging for the spread. So that's their fee in a sense. If the spread is 2 pips, when you open a trade, you will immediately start at a loss of 2 pips. This mostly includes DD brokers, and it doesn't matter what time you trade, the spread will always be the same. That is for dealing desk brokers. Each currency pair has a different spread, and they are usually in the range from 1 pip up to 15 pips. With fixed spreads, you always know what you will be paying every time you trade. So if you know it's going to be a 2 pip spread, every time you trade, you know that that is going to be the charge, essentially that the broker is going to charge you in advance as you trade. The spread changes from second to second. You will find that there's often a window or a range that the spread usually remains within. The Euro-USD variable spread for a certain broker might range from 0.5 to 1.5 pips. This change in the spread has to do with the liquidity of providers at that particular time. So the spread can change. These brokers get fees from all their liquidity providers, and the best prices go to you. What is the bid or ask difference? The difference between the bid price and the ask price is known as the spread. Every Forex broker has 2 sets of prices. One set of prices if you want to buy into a position, and another one if you want to sell into a position. Essentially, the bank or broker or fund has to be on the opposite side of your trade. If you buy, they have to sell. If you sell, they have to buy. Now, what price do you see on the charts? The charts will normally display the bid price by default, such as in the image. Bid is what you sell for and what the bank buys for. Ask is what you buy for and what the bank sells for. And the difference, again, is the spread.